In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable integrations in Hubstaff. If you need to turn off an integration you're no longer using, Hubstaff makes the process fairly quick. Disabling an integration can be useful if you want to stop syncing data, prevent updates from passing between platforms, or simply clean up your workspace settings. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can do it confidently and without any confusion. To begin, log into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace where the integration is currently active. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the area where your workspace configuration and connected tools are managed. After the Settings page opens, look for the Integration section. This is where Hubstaff lists the apps and services that can connect to your account, including any integrations that are already enabled. Click on Integrations to continue. If you have multiple connected tools, take a moment here to identify the one you want to disable so you don't accidentally change the wrong connection. Once you're inside the integrations area, find the specific integration you want to turn off. On that integration, look for the three-dot menu, which is usually used to show more actions or additional options. Click on the three dots to open that menu. This is an important step because the disable option is typically tucked inside this action menu rather than shown directly on the main integration card or page. When the menu appears, click on disable. This will turn off the integration and stop it from actively connecting with Hubstaff. Depending on the integration, disabling it may pause syncing, prevent new data from being shared, or stop future updates between Hubstaff and the connected platform. After you disable it, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the integration now shows as disabled or no longer active. That extra check helps make sure the change was applied successfully. If you're managing several integrations, you can repeat the same process for any others you want to turn off. And that's it. That's how to disable integrations in Hubstaff. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Open Settings, go to Integrations, click the three-dot menu for the integration you want, and choose Disable.